Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna share with you what's in my baby's hospital bag, and these are the things which I have came up with according to my hospital which I'm going. So let's get started. So first thing first, I have packed my all the papers and everything's related to the hospital in bag. So that is the most essential one which you have to pack. Never forget about that, because you don't have to just go without your birth plans and all those documents which are needed at the hospital. So I have packed that, and then I have packed 6 onesies, and one is for the coming home outfit, and 4 is actually needed, and one I just kept for a spare. It depends. Just in case if any spills or something happens, just in case I have added one more onesies, because since it's winter, so it can be really cold and the babies are really sensitive to cold. And also I just opted for onesies and vests and no other fancy kinds of dress, and 4 vests to go underneath onesies. So I have packed that 4 vests and 2 big blankets, like 2 thick blankets for wrapping. And I have took 3 muslin clothes. These are just plain white color muslin clothes for burping, and this comes handy for a lot of things like burping or just wiping their face, the milk. And also I have packed 3 of them. Then I have packed 4 wrapping blankets, which is like counting the number of outfits I have packed. So 4 wrapping blankets, 4 hats, everything I have packed like 4. I don't know why. Then you will need some. Then I have packed a pack of baby wipes, wet wipes, and one nappy cream, which is unscented nappy cream, so for the changes, nappy changes. Then you will need diapers. Actually the hospital provides diapers, but I prefer to take a little bit with me. This is a big pack, I won't be taking the entire pack, I'll be just taking maybe like 15 to 20 of it. So you will need diapers. Then I'm taking a baby lotion, and this is extra care lotion. I'm not actually a big fan of lotions and baby powders and all those kind of things, but since it's winter, maybe the skin of baby skin can be a little bit dry, so I'm taking a extra care baby lotion from Johnson and Johnson's, and that goes in. Then a baby wash. Actually this is optional, the hospital provides that, but maybe if you want some your own preferences, I'm taking that as well. Okay, the next thing I'm packing is formula, baby formula. This is from Aptamil Pro Nutra Comfort One. This is from birth to 6 months, and it's especially for digestive comfort. So these are the things I have packed for the baby in the hospital bag, and I think each country or each hospital have their own list of things that should be bought to the hospital by the for the babies. And also just inquire with the midwives or the or the hospital about what all things that is necessary to bring to the hospital and what all things they will be providing, so you can pack accordingly. So these are the things which I have packed, and I hope you guys enjoy this video and give it a big thumbs up if you like this video, and also share and subscribe to my channel. And I hope this will help someone out there who is going to pack their baby's hospital bag. And this is especially for the winter time, so that's why it's full of winter related kind of clothes and all. And my next video, that is what's in the mommy's hospital bag, will be coming soon. So don't forget to hit the bell button so that you will get the notification of when I just upload the video. See you guys next time. Bye guys.